Romain Virgo, wife, family, lifestyle, career, and net worth. Romain Virgo, a celebrated Jamaican reggae singer, is known for his powerful vocals and heartfelt lyrics. Born on January 24, 1990, in Stepney, St. Anne, Jamaica, he has emerged as one of the most influential voices of his generation in reggae music. His journey from a humble background to becoming a globally recognized artist is inspiring and reflects his dedication, passion, and love for music. Kindly subscribe to this channel as we delve deeper in understanding his music career, family, and net worth. Wife and family. Romain Virgo is married to Elizabeth Virgo, whom he wed in a private ceremony in 2018. Elizabeth is often seen by his side at public events and is featured occasionally in his social media posts. The couple welcomed twin daughters in 2020, and Romain frequently expresses his love and devotion to his family. His family plays a central role in his life, providing him with constant support and inspiration. Romain often shares moments from his family life on social media, showing that he is a dedicated husband and father who values family time above all. Lifestyle. Despite his fame, Romain Virgo is known for his humble and down-to-earth personality. He maintains a healthy lifestyle, which includes regular exercise and a balanced diet. Romain is passionate about fitness, often sharing workout routines and tips with his fans on social media. His lifestyle reflects his commitment to personal well-being and spiritual growth, emphasizing gratitude, humility, and positivity. Outside of music, he is actively involved in community service and frequently participates in charitable activities, especially those supporting youth development in Jamaica. He uses his platform to advocate for social justice and human rights, resonating with fans beyond the reggae community. Career. Romain Virgo's career took off in 2007 when he won the Digicel Rising Stars competition, a Jamaican talent show akin to American Idol. His victory catapulted him into the limelight and marked the beginning of a flourishing music career. He released his self-titled debut album in 2010, featuring hits like Love Doctor and Caan Sleep, which quickly earned him recognition in the reggae music scene. Subsequent albums, such as The System, 2012, and Lovesick, 2018, solidified his reputation as a versatile artist capable of blending traditional reggae sounds with modern influences. Romain is known for his love songs, but his repertoire also includes songs addressing social issues, spirituality, and personal growth. Hits like Soul Provider, Stay With Me, and Trouble showcase his vocal range and ability to convey deep emotion, making him a favorite among reggae enthusiasts worldwide. Net worth. As of 2024, Romain Virgo's estimated net worth is between $1 million and $1.5 million. His income primarily comes from his music career, including album sales, streaming revenue, live performances, and brand endorsements. Romain also earns from his YouTube channel and collaborations with other artists. His financial success allows him to maintain a comfortable lifestyle while providing for his family and supporting various charitable causes. Romain Virgo continues to grow as an artist and remains committed to his craft, delivering music that touches hearts and spreads love. His journey is a testament to hard work, talent, and the unbreakable spirit of a young man from rural Jamaica who dared to dream big.